We are writing a simple program to determine the maximum of three numbers. So while doing that, we are going to input the first number, the second number, and convert it to integer. So after inputting it, we now print at the end. We find out using conditional statements which one is the greatest number, is the highest number. So else, if it's the greatest number, we should print compare and pick the highest out of the three number. So now we can now run our program. If I enter 6, 8, 3, the maximum is 8. Let me rerun it again. If I enter 13, 7, 6, it will give me the maximum. This is a simple program to determine the maximum integer of the three, to determine the maximum integer of three numbers. Thanks.